All right, this one is going to be volume, volume. Is that good? Volume, volume. Easy?
Yeah.
Let's review something. What's the mass of 1 mole of any gas at STP? 22.4 what? Liters, right, good, excellent. So let's say I have 20 liters of hydrogen chloride. This is not hydrochloric acid. It's gaseous, so it's hydrogen chloride, right? What volume of water are you going to produce? If you completely react 20 liters of hydrogen chloride, what volume of water will you produce? Nobody? Aiden, this is not a very verbal class. You will see as the year progresses. You seem to be fairly verbal. Nobody? If I had 4 moles of hydrogen chloride, what volume would be here? If I had 4 moles of hydrogen chloride, what volume would I have? What volume? Nobody?
144.
You have what? What's 4 times 22.4? You can do this, guys.
89.6.
What is it? 89.6? Yeah, because I'd have 4 moles. I'd have 4 moles of this, right? But do I have 4 moles? No. I have some amount, don't I?
Yeah.
Yes. Right? Now, what's the relationship? What's the mole relationship between hydrogen chloride and water? What's the mole relationship between hydrogen chloride and water? 4 to 2, that's right. Exactly. So what would the volumetric ratio be? What would it be? No one? What would it be? Well, let's see. Let's try this. Let's see. If the mole ratio is 4/2 or 2 to 1, right? And let's check out just quickly, let's back up and check out the relationship between moles and volume. 1 mole, 22.4. 2 moles, 44.8, etc. Yes? So what's the relationship between moles and volume? Is there a relationship between them? There's not? Z-Man?
There is a relationship.
The number of moles by
Yeah.
2.
Yeah. This is painful. You're making this very painful. All right, if I say to you, let's do this. What's 4 times 22.4?
89.6.
What is it?
89.6.
Do we have a verification on that?
Yes.
89.6 liters, right?
Yes.
Correct? Yes? If I had 89.6 liters of this, how many liters of this would I get? In other words, this represents 4 moles of hydrogen chloride. How many moles of water am I going to produce? If I consume 4 moles of hydrogen chloride gas, how many moles of water am I going to produce? T, how many?
44.8.
Excuse me?
44.8.
So you thought you'd wait until I called on you before you offered the answer? How long have you been sitting on that answer?
Not sure.
Don't do that. Please, don't do that. What are you going to do in IB next year? Don't do that. If you have the answer, you give it. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Do not sit on an answer. See me after class. Understood? You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So I'd have 44.8 liters, right? Right? So what's the relationship between moles and volume? Isn't it a molar relationship? Yes? I double the moles, I double the volume, correct? Yes or no? So can I say, what was this, 20?
Yes, 20.
And that's X. So isn't it going to be 4 moles over 2 H2O equals what? 4 over 2
Which is 2 over 1.
equals 20 over X. What's X equal?
4.
4?
2. 10.
4?
No, no, no.
4? 4? Did you say 4?
Yeah, I said 4.
4? 2 times 20 is
40.
40 divided by 4 is
10.
10 what? 10 liters. So 4 to 2, it's 2 to 1, right? Yes, it's 2 to 1. So if I have 20 moles here, that's 10 moles there. No? Yes or no?
Yep.
Guys, in IB, the teacher is just going to move on. It's just going to move on. There's a syllabus. You have a syllabus. There's only so many, you can't spend all this time on stoichiometry. I mean, it's nonsensical. What are you going to do next year? All right, so this is 10. What's this? How many liters of gas is going to be there?
Liters?
What is it? 2 to 2 is 1 to 1, so it's going to be 10. And what's this going to be?
16.
4 to 1, right? What's a fourth of 20? Yes? Volume. Okay.